Guys, we are back again, back with the additional, with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 11th. I will continue with the Four Stars Sudoku, and this will be number 1872. And before I start, I always apologies, I bumped the camera. Yes, I bumped the camera. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. I've already counted, so you can check if I'm correct. Alright, so let's get started. In this row, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square. So no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And then in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 3 boxes. We see therefore no 4 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, we see there 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. Need some space and position the camera. Alright. Let me see. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5, I need to wait. Let me see here, we have a 2 in this column, a 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Yeah. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be here. Yeah. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. So now let me think. How about the number 1293? Interesting. 3. Yeah. 4, 5. It's taking too long. Well, those 3, the 3. Yes, in this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. 3 and a 9 are left. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 in this column. 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2. Now I can continue with the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see it's digit number 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. 3. Then Ooh, 9, 3, 6. All right. Yeah. 1, 1, 3 and a 9. 1, 3, 9. 6. Yeah. 5, 6. Wow. 8. I think I need to mark some numbers. 6. Yeah, it's taking too long. 7 we have, the 1 should be here. 1. 9 and 3. Alright, so let me see. We have 1 here in this row, 1 in the middle rows and a row above. Only 2 places for the 1 here or there. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, the 9 and the 3. Let me mark them. Here also 9 and 3. 9, 3, and the 2. Alright. 6, 2. No 9, no 9. 1, 2, 3, 1, 9, 3, 1, 9, 3. Yeah. Where is the needle? 9, 3, and the 2. I need the 2, I need the 9, I need the 3. 2, 9, 3, 2, 9, 3. 2, 9. Here cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. Alright, so we have a 3 here, so those 3 boxes cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes could be a 3. This cannot be a 3, so those 2 boxes, yes. We have a 3 here in one of those 2 boxes, so this box cannot be a 3. In this row, we need a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. 2, 9, 6, and the 8 is missing. 2, 9, okay, 3, 3, that means 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the only 2 places for 3 could be here, could be there. 2, 6, 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 2 and an 8. 2 of those 2 missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. We see here 2 and the 8, so no 2 and the 8 in this box. The 2 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 6. Alright, so now we have a 6 here in this row, so this box cannot be a 6. In this column we have also a 6. Yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the only 2 places for the 6 could be here, could be there. These 2 numbers in this big square, the missing numbers here are the 6 and the 9. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be a 9 anymore, this should be the 9, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be a 9 anymore, this should be a 3. 1 box left, yes, the 3. 2 boxes left, the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 here, no 6. No, we have a 6 here. The 9 and the 2, 9 and the 2. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Now we are getting somewhere. 2 and the 9 are missing in this row. 2 and the 9, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9, 9, 6, 6, yes. We have a pair, 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. So those 2 boxes should be 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9, so 1 box left. This should be the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column next, we have a pair, 1 and the 8, 1 and the 8. The other pair should be the 3 and the 2. We need a 2. I think there are a lot of pairs here. 3 and a 2. How about those two numbers? The 1 and the 9 are missing. 1 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1, 9 and the 3. No, cannot fill this yet. How about those two numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 8. We have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then those missing numbers in this big square, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes and there. Now we're getting somewhere. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 6, 6, 6. 6 is missing, and 9 is missing here. 3, 6, 9. 2, 1. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. How about those two numbers? 6 and 3 are missing in the middle column. 6 and a 3. So the other two numbers should be 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. So the 3 should be here. 3, 3. Yes. We have a 3 here, so no 3s in those two boxes, so 3 goes here. 6 and a 9, we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 1 as a pair. 3 and the 6 as a pair. 1 and the 8 as a pair. 3 and the 2 as a pair. So the 3 goes here. We need a 3 in the first row. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 here, so 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 1. And we have a 1 and a 9, so this should be a 9. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be a 9. And this should be a 1. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be an 8. 1 box left in this first row for the number 8, and the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes, alright. 2 minutes or 3 minutes longer than the previous Sudoku, but I'm very, very pleased because I 4-star Sudoku. I really 4-star Sudoku. I need 30 minutes or more. Yes, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell, people, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last two Sudokus, a tectonic and a binary. Bye bye for now.